Sweet. So, this is Myst the Cryomancer. This model was suggested to me by YouTube user Playercpu. He's a Dungeons & Dragons fan, and this is a character that he made up, and he actually gave me some concept art to go off of. That's what it looks like right there. So my main concern going into this figure for my speed build was figuring out what to do about the hair, because there aren't a whole lot of good hair pieces available for Bionicle, particularly in this light blue color. But I found a Nakama mask, and I thought, that should work pretty well. Now that I'm looking at it, though, it looks more like a helmet rather than actual hair. But anyways, that's something I can save for later and for revamping and stuff. As far as the rest of the figure is concerned, I feel like I nailed the crown pretty well. I just wrap the chain around the head, and it's not really attached to anything. It's sitting here pretty loosely. You just slide it right over the top, and then, yeah. So I think I got pretty lucky as far as the placement of that is concerned. As far as the elf ears are concerned, really all I was able to do was just take a couple of claw pieces and stick them on the sides of the head. I suppose there's a way I could make that look better, but I just haven't figured out how to do that yet. But again, another revamping opportunity there. The rest of the figure, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. The legs, the boots, the hands. Well, the hands, I mean, I had to make them kind of gloved. I actually don't have any of the tan-colored hand pieces, so I just went ahead and gave Myst some silver gloves. I think the hammer turned out alright. As you guys probably noticed from the photos, she's got a spot on the back right here where she can attach the hammer whenever she's not using it. Something you probably did not notice from the photos alone was the fact that the hammer has a play function. It's not really anything special. It just shoots the studs off the end, just like the hammer from Akimu's character. Yep, just like that. And it's lost in the compartments. Alright, I'll get that later. So anyways, yes, that is Myst. Thank you, YouTube user Playercpu. I would love to hear your opinions on how you thought your character turned out in Bionicle form. And yeah, tell me your thoughts, everybody else, and send me some other suggestions that I can build. I look forward to getting your responses, and I will see you guys next time. This is Makuta Alvarez signing out.